Reliable conversion. Converts 12-volt vehicle battery power to 120-volt AC household power, great for charging your mobile devices on the go. Handy power. Provides you with 2 AC outlets and 1 USB port. Simplified usability. Simple controls and on-off switch. Easy to attach. Connects directly to the battery with 12 volts plug or clamps. Always safe. High-speed, built-in fan ensures constant, cool operation. Unit automatically shuts down if operating temperature is excessive. Convert vehicle power to household power with the Schumacher PID-410 DC to AC Power Inverter, making it a great addition for remote charging. It includes 2 AC outlets, as well as a USB port, perfect for all of your mobile devices. Protection from power surges and overheating is built into every unit. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent, for DIY power station projects. I bought this to replace my existing inverter that did not have a battery power reader. I made a DIY AGM battery power station and need to monitor to drain on the battery. This is not a pretty inverter, but it is critical for me to monitor the drain on the AGM battery so I do not take down past 50%. It cost the same as the inverter I had without the voltage reader, so this is the better buy.